Hello, my name is Mohammed, and today I'm going to solve one of the exam questions which came in 2020, which is the last year. So, CSSE question number 7, and the year is 2020. Yeah. So, just covering the topic which is called ratio. The question is 196 pound is shared between Katie, Tammy and Arjun. So that Katie gets twice as much as Tammy, and Tammy gets twice as much as Arjun. So the question says 196 pound is shared between Katie, Tammy and Arjun. So that Katie gets twice as much as Tammy and Tammy gets twice as much as Arjun. And the question part A asking how much does Arjun get? So how much Arjun get? And the B part is what? How much does Katie get? So this is the question. Very simple, very easy. Okay, the ratio we have already discussed about. Okay, the relationship between or among different person, the ratio. If I say that I am getting like a 1 pound and my friend is getting a twice of 1 pound, so it means he's getting a 2 pounds. Okay, and my friends getting 2 times more from his friend. Okay, so this is the way the examiner asking about. Okay, so the same as here. Okay, there are basically 3 friends. Okay, so Katie, Tammy and Arjun. Okay, so first we go for start with share between the Katie, Tammy. Okay, Katie get twice as much as Tammy. Okay, so Katie, how much Katie is getting? Whatever the amount Tammy is getting, okay, Katie is getting twice. And the Tammy gets twice as much as Arjun. So we need to calculate backward. So the first one is we start from Arjun. Okay, so Tammy gets twice as much as Arjun. So it means, for example, this is the easiest way. Okay, so if I say that Arjun, this is A for Arjun, okay, and T for Tammy and K for Katie. So if Arjun gets £1. So the Tammy getting twice of Arjun, okay? Tammy gets twice as much as Arjun. So if Arjun gets £1, so Tammy is getting twice. So we need to do double for this one. So Tammy get twice of Arjun. And now we move to this statement. What? Katie gets the twice as much as Tammy. If Tammy gets £2, so the Katie is getting twice of Tammy. So twice means 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the ratio we built here, okay? Very simple. Arjun getting £1. So Tammy getting twice of Arjun, I just simply double, okay? So 1 times 2 is 2. And we know that the Tammy getting £2. So Katie getting twice of Tammy. So what I did, 2 times 2 is twice of Tammy, which is 4. So the total number of share, which is 1:2:4, which is 7. Now the question is very easy. How much does Arjun get? Okay, so it means in every £7, Arjun getting £1 and Tammy getting £2 and Katie getting 4 every £7. So it means Arjun share is what? 1/7 times 196. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, and remaining 5, which is 7 times 8 is 56. So it means the Arjun getting £28. Very simple. And also you know that what? The share of out of 7, 1 out of 7 is 28. So it means the one share equal to 28. So double of share, which is twice of 28, which is very simple, 56. So Tammy getting, okay, the examiner is not asking about the how much the Tammy getting, okay, but so Tammy is getting twice of that because Tammy has a share of what? 2/7 times 196. So very simple. 1 is 28. So 28 times 2, which is equal to £56. How much does Katie get? So same. 1. The share of Katie is what? 4/7 times 96, which is, I would say, so 28 times 4, which is 112, which is 112. So the answer is Katie getting £112 out of 196. And you can verify your answer as well if you like. What? Okay, so I can sum. So Arjun, Mr. A is getting what? 28, and Tammy getting 56k. Tammy, and the Katie is getting 112. if you sum up this one, the answer match your total 196. So 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 6 is here, the carry is goes there, okay? So 2 plus 5 is 7, 7, 8, 9, and then 196. So the total amount distributed among these three with a ratio of 1:2:4. Very simple. So that's it for today. And if you like this video, please share with your family and friends and leave your feedback in the comment section. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.